Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Go Money. Before we go into the details, if you have not watched the introduction and money management videos, please do. It has the basic concept of wave theory and the indicators we use. The money management will give you an idea of how to manage the trade. The link is given in the description. Today, we are getting another trade setup in L&T. We just took HR Motors and looks like a busy day where I think we are getting another breakout in L&T. So let's look into the setup. So basically in a higher time frame chart, you can see that this has actually made an impulse and now there's a correction followed by a B wave which has a smaller correction to further up before it comes down for a further move. So basically right now we are in an internal B wave setup for a higher time frame. So this trade is going to be a short trade in hourly, so maybe a month. And right now what we are seeing is, so it has completed the A followed by B followed by C. So this pattern is complete and we are seeing a breakout on the lower time frame, and so which is a good trade to enter as the risk to reward ratio might be in a higher range, and this is what we have done. So we have done a breakout trade on this. Let me add the trade to the chart. So this is the place we have entered where the breakout was, which is around basically 19 it's around 1900 rupees, and the target is actually around 2200 rupees, and the stop loss is actually like 50 rupees basically, which is a pretty close stop loss. So we can have a better risk to reward. We have a 5:1 risk ratio, which is really good if it happens. So this is our expectation. On this trade we are expecting it to complete around end of March. So this is our expectation. So basically this is just a trade idea. This based on this you could do an option trading or actually be in the trade, so or use margin to buy more. But right now we are tracking only the direct trade setup and only making sure that the trade with respect to the money which we hold, so that we don't have more risk on our trade setup. So basically we just want to make sure we preserve our capital first. So we want to make sure we won't lose more than certain amount. So that's where we have set up a rule, and based on that we are showing only the trades which we take with the existing money in our hand. It's not traded with any margin or with any option tradings, so which we might even discuss about the understanding of options and stuff later, but this is just to give an idea how a trade behaves, and with that what are the capable ways of taking trades, and with your risk appetite what kind of trade you can take. Do you want to trade, or do you want to invest, or do you want to do options or features? Depending on your knowledge and your risk appetite, you can definitely grow your money exponentially. Okay, based on this trade setup, we have already populated the spreadsheet for this trade. We have entered L&T on Feb 10th, and so our stock price is around 1900 rupees, and our stop loss is 50 rupees. So because of the 50 rupees stop loss, we can invest up to 100 stocks, because 100 stocks into 50 is 5000. That's the maximum loss we are limiting our trades for. So that's been entered, and this is actually a big trade as the stop loss was pretty short. So we have actually invested up a big amount, very close to 2 lakhs. So hope this goes well, and this actually the trade setup for this, or basically for this particular trade, is approximately close to 5 times. Let me take it back, because that's a very good trade. That's what I thought. So we have 5:1 ratio. It's pretty good trade if it goes in our direction. Let's hope it does well, and we will track this in our weekly trade report. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in our next video.